Hey you guys, what's up? I'm here to see what's up with the true crime oracle. Spirit of God, thank you so much. Thank you for choosing me. I love you. What is the message? What is the message for the IC Tarot Collective? What does the IC Tarot Collective need to know at this time? What does the IC Tarot need to know at this time? Not my words. Show me, Spirit of God. What is Spirit of God? Thank you. I'll take one more, please. Anything else? Yeah. Those two came in together. Something about a road by a hotel, motel. This is about the road that's by the hotel and motel. It's something about the road. What's up with this road by the hotel and motel, Spirit of God? I just really been enjoying with it. What's up with this road? Is this road leading to someplace like really important that we need to know about? The road is behind the motel. You got to go around the motel to see the road in the back of it. Show me more. That's what they're going to the hotel to do, though. The following content is not for entertainment. The star energy. I just told you what they was going to do. So what happened on the road to the star energy? Show me. I'm picking up some feminine energy that could be missing at this time. Anything else? Yeah. They followed some type of offer. And it led to illusions, and now they don't even know where they at. They don't even know where they at. If they did try to call and get help, like they don't even know where they at to say where they at. That's heartbreaking. It's two women that have, how I can say this, Spirit of God, they like not what people think they are. People think that they street life, but they really not street life. That's what's up with these two. That's why one came out as the star and one came out as the high priestess. That just means that they shine at what they do. However, the high priestess energy. Show me the high priestess to the Seven of Cups. I'm going to use a different deck. Clarify the high priestess to the Seven of Cups. Before I say what I'm thinking you all want me to say. Show me the high priestess to the Seven of Cups. What's this high priestess doing next to the Seven of Cups? Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. No, I had the cards upside down. So, changing fortunes. Because I was picking up like the high priestess might be some type of madam that she's creating illusions. Because a high priestess would know like if danger was lurking, even if she wasn't in her spirituality, her street smarts would kick in and be like, nah, that's not a good one. That's not a good play. You know what I'm saying? Don't go that direction, like that type of energy. But not this high priestess. Even though she's in the upright, she in the upright because she presents herself like, you know, in that friendship type way. Show me trap. This might all be. Show me. Thank you. Ten of Wands in the reverse. all somebody can do is think about getting out of the situation that they trapped in. It's overbearing to them. That's all they can do. Whoever is in this trapped energy, they're not out. They're currently trapped. They're like manifesting the Ten of Wands in the reverse. Show me trap. Show me trap. Protecting themselves. Why they locked up? Why they trapped? Wherever they trapped at, they're protecting themselves the best they can. Show me trap. Spirit. Show me trap, Spirit of God. What I'm telling you is clarity. And this person also has clarity that they can't make no like sudden moves and try to free themselves, because they could get out and run into more danger. That's what they're thinking about right now, is if they do get out, like what's their next move? Hey, are these two stories connected? Show me this one right here. This card right here was the one with the noose in it. You know, that goes around the body. I don't want to flip it over, but show me that energy right there. Why is that there? Is that literal energy, or is that a feeling? Someone feels like a situation has them, you know, has them feeling that type of way. I think after this read, I'm going to take that card out of my deck. But that's okay, Spirit of God. Show me this energy. Show me this energy here, Spirit of God. What's going on with this energy? I still don't know for sure if these two energies are the same or if they're separate. So right now we're going to leave them separate. Show me the third energy, please, Spirit of God. Thank you. Okay. So somebody is looking for, they're looking for somebody, but the person that you're looking for, that's what happened to them. That person, they could be a Virgo. What else, Spirit of God? See, because they manifested that for themselves. So you may find this person alone when you find this person. Why Virgo and Gemini energy always be together? There was definitely influence from, you know, obsessive dark energy that probably led to feelings of self-worthlessness and deep sorrow, regret, hate for oneself. Yeah, because it would go right here with the Magician. So it's definitely, damn, I gotta show you the card again because it just fits so much. See what I'm saying? Only this type of energy would make somebody do this right here. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. Anything else regarding that third energy? No? Okay. And anything else from this deck regarding this third energy, Spirit of God? You know what? I am I'm like currently being spiritually attacked. Because every time I pick my deck up, they keep being in the opposite order. And I don't even keep my cards like that. Hold on. The same thing happened to the color deck. Hold on. Alright, I'm back, you guys. Now listen. I talked about earlier about going around saying everything's spiritual warfare. But that really is because I'm sitting up here looking at the cards and I'm shuffling them. And as I'm shuffling them, they're like mixing backwards. And I know how to shuffle my cards. It's just like a spirit of confusion. And then the test is to see, well, is she going to keep reading the cards? Because you can't let outside energies control the reading. That's why we have to use our protection, our sage, our crystals, and stuff like that. All right, Spirit of God, we good. We good. We good. We good. I return all confusion spells back to which they came. And getting up confusion times the devil. Give me something from this on this third deck right here about this person who was really tricked into doing their own magic against themselves. That's basically what happened. What else is going on with this situation? Page of Wands. Someone who thought they was gonna have a new beginning. A new beginning at what? What you thought? What you mean? Page of Wands. What's this? For holding back. They held back. This is prior. Like they made plans to start something new with somebody on purpose. Somebody, a person, a place, or a thing. It could have been a Queen of Wands energy. What's behind that? Fire, energy, fire. Show me. What else? About this overall energy. Show me the Page of Wands to the Four of Pentacles. The Page of Wands to the Four of Pentacles. They could have had to start over with what they had left too. Yeah, they had to start over with what they had left. And this put them in the Eight of Swords, so much so to the point where they felt like they couldn't even face things anymore. This was the Lovers that fell out, but it's not part of this spread. That's what happened here. Because like I learned, the Page of Wands can sometimes mean starting over. So they had to start over with whatever they had left behind, some type of situation. It could have had something to do with a Virgo. This Virgo may not have been an investigator. This Virgo could have been a third energy surrounding this storyline here. Okay? But because they had to start over with what they had left, in or out the city. If they was outside the city, they were outside of their hometown city. But they had to take what they had and they had to go. And they couldn't deal with it. They couldn't deal with it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave this here. I ask that my protectors, that they protect my intellectual property, and that archangels, that they close any portals or timelines that I may have access. And that my Goon Squad get them in a 3D if needed. That was the true word of the Most High God.